How to find product emails notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find product email notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and now click here on your profile and now click this three line in top corner, then click settings and then notifications, and here you will find email notifications and scroll down until you find product emails, and here you can manage it. You can turn it off or on just by one click and then just go back. It will be saved, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.